Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Larissa and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this look. So what I'm doing here is I'm doing a flat twist and a low puff. So the first thing you want to do is you separate your hair. My hair is already divided into sections. As you can see, I have an old twist. So what I'm just doing is, coming through the first half of my hair, so that in this part I'm going to be doing a flat twist, while the rest I'm just going to put it in a low burn. So here we're just parting our hair using a rat tail comb. You want to make sure your lines or your parts are clean and just looking good. Now using a rubber band, I'm going to secure one side of my hair so that I can work with the other side freely. Now using my edge control brush, I'm going to be applying regular black gel at the sides of my hair so that my flat twist is clean and neat. Now I'm doing the flat twist. I don't really know how to explain this part, but you guys should just watch what I'm doing. I don't know if you want a video on how to flat twist your hair, then you can say that in the comment section. I'm going to do a video on how to flat twist your hair. After doing the flat twist, you make sure you want to comb your ends to stretch them out so that you can finish it with the twist. I don't know if I'm saying I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying, but I hope so. Anyways, that's what we're going to be doing throughout this first section of the hair, repeating the process over. Just apply gel to the sides of your hair so that you can do, your flat twist is clean and neat, like I earlier said, and you just go ahead and flat twist. Now that we are done flat twisting the front, what I'm doing is just unraveling the twist at the back so that I can be able to do a low puff. Okay, now going in with my brush, I'm just going to brush down the back so that I can be able to do a low puff. One of the good things about doing your hair is at the beginning it's all messy and everything, but at some point you start seeing the hair coming together and it's just nice. Now moving on to our edges, we have to do our edges so that everything looks clean and neat. We cannot just allow our edges like that. Most of the time I use regular black gel. Some people prefer Eco Styler or Eco Styling Gel. Others prefer edge control. Sometimes I use Got2b glue, that works too. But in this video, I'm just using normal black gel to do my edges. I went again with my brush to add more gel at the back and to really secure the ends, or to really tighten my puff, because I like when it's tight. But don't do it too tight to a point where you cannot support it. You cannot, feel free and comfortable. Going with some hair accessories, I'm going to be using this silver hair, I don't know what they are called, but I just know they're hair accessories. So place them at different spots of the hair. It makes the hair look nice. It's always good to dye your edges using a scarf, especially if you want them to last for long. That's the whole day. Right now I'm just using bobby pins to secure the puff so that they stay in place, and that's the end. What do you guys think? If you like this look, let me know in the comment section. Okay guys, that's the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you think about this look in the comment section.